guys, welcome back to the Birds Party channel. Today I have some really cool ideas to share with you for a Father's Day tablescape. Father's Day is coming up, so I decided to set up a really modern, really pretty table but with some masculine accents and some lots of different textures and colors to help you celebrate that in style, but it's also a really easy table to pull off and to set up at home. So to start my table, I used a black and white table runner for the modern touch, and I paired it with leather chargers in brown and the tableware that was in black and white, and also with a touch of gold and a little bit of wood for that texture that I love and that I think adds interest to each place setting. And obviously I was inspired by the leather in the chargers, and I created these belt buckle napkin rings, which are so easy to make. You can use thrifted belts, but I actually used my husband's old belts that he didn't use anymore, and he had these really pretty gold buckles on them, and he just trimmed them to size and then hot glue them at the back, and they make really pretty masculine and bespoke napkin rings, and I think it adds that manly touch to the table. And to complement everything else, for my glassware I choose water glasses with a gold rim and black wine glasses, which match perfectly with our napkin rings, with our plates, with our cutlery, and also our candlesticks, which were these gorgeous really solid black candlesticks. And I use gold candles again to match with all the other gold details on the table. And for our table centerpiece, I didn't want anything too girly, so no flowers here, but I wanted to still create something that was fresh and that was like natural to match with all the other textures that we had on the table. So I opted for succulents, and I used these 3 golden planters, and they came with 1 succulent each, so I didn't think that was enough, so I supplemented it with more succulents and made it a little bit fuller. And I love how everything turned out, how it looks on the center of the table without being too feminine. And to finish off the decorations, I use these mini photo frames that can also double as place setting markers or place cards for each guest, with photos of the dads that are coming. Obviously I had photos of my husband and also of my father, but you can use photos of the different people that are coming to your table. And there you have it, all the ideas for a really pretty masculine but modern tablescape for Father's Day. I hope you've enjoyed the ideas. I love how everything turned out, I love how chic it looks, but I love all the different textures as well. And I hope you feel inspired to create something special for Dad this Father's Day. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.